How to appeal TikTok community guidelines violation. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to appeal a TikTok community guidelines violation. If your content got flagged or taken down, don't worry, I've got you covered. First, when your video is removed or your account gets a warning, TikTok will send you a notification. This notification will tell you what rule was violated. It's really important to understand what caused a violation, so you make sure a strong case is in your appeal. Now let's move on to the steps. First things first, open your TikTok account and simply go to your profile and find the video that has been violated. Now you will find remove for something that you have done. Now what you need to do is simply tap on see details, and here you'll find violation reason. Simply click on disagree at the bottom of the page, and what you need to do is why do you disagree page will pop up. Simply tap on my video did not violate the community guidelines and simply click on submit, and your appeal will be submitted. Now simply click on submit appeal, so to submit a different form, and click on submit. And that's it. That's how you can simply submit an appeal on TikTok for community guidelines violation.